Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at the derivation of an expression for the variance of a linearly transformed random variable. That is, given a random variable x with the variance of x equal to sigma square x, our goal is to find the variance of a random variable y, which is a linear transformation of the original random variable x. This kind of model is very common in and signal processing applications. So we know that the variance of the hidden random variable x is given by sigma square x. Our goal is to find the variance of the random variable y, which can be the measurements. So variance of y is equal to the variance of ax plus b. And by definition of variance, which is given as variance of a random variable z is equal to expectation of z square minus expectation of z whole square. So by applying this original definition, we have expectation of ax plus b whole square, expectation of square of ax plus b minus expectation of ax plus b, that is mean of ax plus b squared. So by expanding the square terms, we have expectation of a square x square plus b square plus 2abx minus expectation of ax plus b whole square. We can clearly see that this can be written as a square multiplied by expectation of x square plus b square, since b is a constant, and 2ab times expectation of x minus a times expectation of x whole square minus b square minus 2ab expectation of x. By cancelling the terms that are ready to inverse of each other, and we are left with a square multiplied by expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. And this is by definition equal to variance of x. So this is equal to a square times sigma square x. Therefore, for a linear model y equal to ax plus b, the variance of y is equal to a square, which is the coefficient of the linear model, multiplied by the variance of the original random variable, that is x. Thanks for watching.